First, I'll show you how to install the faucet. Unscrew the screw. Remove the outer ring. Align it with the hole in the pot body and insert it. Put the inner ring just now in. Tighten the screw. First, put the basket into the pot. Cover the copper lid. The copper lid has a thermometer, and align it with the faucet. Then fasten the buckles around. Put a seal ring of the corresponding size. Place the column on the seal ring. Make sure the metal sheet inside the column is down. Use a clamp to tighten it. Put a seal ring. Still use a clamp to tighten it. Install deflegmator. And put a seal ring. Assemble the thermometer module. Make sure the front of the thermometer is facing up. Still use the clamp to tighten it. Then put a seal ring. Next, connect the elbow and tighten it with a clamp. Next, connect the elbow. Next, put a seal ring on the condenser tube. And tighten it with a clamp. Next, connect the air pressure balancer. Place the seal ring. And tighten it with a clamp. Finally, connect our spout. Place the seal ring and tighten it with a clamp. The main part is assembled. It's probably like this. Now let's demonstrate how to connect the red and blue pipes. Red one goes to red end. Blue one goes into the blue one. After connecting, go to the back of the machine. Come to the end with a silicone hose. Connect the red water pipe to the upper two holes, and the blue one to the lower two holes. Note that the blue pipe has a valve. One side is connected to the lower port of the deflegmator. Finally, connect the other end of the blue tube to the faucet. Be sure to plug it in tightly.